Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and support with like and share with your friends. And here, this video is about APPEN Academy or company, which may allow you to work from home to get some extra cash or income. And here is the website that you can Google it, appen.com. There are so many ways that you can empower from yourself, even though you are someone who is really um, like to work from home, or you are having some other jobs and this one is going to be your part-time job. So there are a lot of things to do in this website. You can find some jobs like here. Click on jobs. They will take you in this platform or in this page. Part-time flexible jobs. Okay, work that can be done from anywhere in the world. Here you have some projects, micro tasks, surveys, data collection, and also corporate job, whether it is a language job or other. Find your file there or the background which you are looking for, but it is really quite interesting that many people are doing it. You can also try, and maybe why not to do it, because it is paying a lot of money, and also many opportunities are opening over here. And let's go to the project to see. Here you have to sign up with your profile and some basic informations that might allow you to get in out in this platform to work or apply for the work that you like or you are uh, finding out. So here also a lot of things such as surveys, data collection, and okay, some resource. A lot of things to do in this website. So you can just, if you want to learn something, they have in ebooks, webinars,